Okay, so once you have installed from your settings the API keys needed from your app, you now need to get the API keys from Timezone DB. This is a free API, and so you just need to go ahead and set up your account. Now, I already have a Timezone DB account set up, and once you set up and then log into your account following their process, a process I don't need to demonstrate, it's very simple, and you log in for the first time, this is the screen that you will be met with. You need to take this API key right here and copy it. Come back into the application, go to the Schedule Me Bookings and Scheduling plugin, do the Get All Time Zones key path, paste in here as well, and then you will be pasting it in to the dev zones as well. This is all you need to do to set up your Schedule Me Bookings and Scheduling plugin, as well as the template, and you would then be able to start to preview and run this template as an actual functioning app.